Hi, everyone. I wanted to take a little time to walk you through the Unit 2 lab assignment for Advertising and Sales Promotion A. So, for this assignment, you will need to watch two different TED Talks. Let's take a look at those. And you will also complete some questions. Now, for the first TED Talk, it is called Social Media and the End of Gender. It's about an 8-minute long video, so it's not too terribly long. And you will then answer 6 questions. You can do this in a Google Doc or a Microsoft Word document, whichever you prefer there. The first several questions for this particular TED Talk really are just asking you about the video. So, might be a good idea to take a look at, especially these first 3 questions, and have those in your mind as you were watching the video. And then the last few questions are just kind of general open ended questions about just advertising in general, and why it's important to understand and know what entertains people when you're an advertising executive. And then the last question here is really kind of an opinion question. If an advertising company looked at your social media behavior, how would they most likely describe you? What products would be marketed to you, and why? So maybe think about what types of social media you're on, if you're on Instagram or TikTok or Snapchat, or maybe none of them apply to you. I think that's important to include in your response there. And then think about your buying habits. What types of purchases do you like to make? What types of brands do you follow? Or maybe specific celebrities or influencers you follow on social media? I think that would be important to note there as well. And just kind of think about that and analyze your own social media usage and what types of products and brands and influencers you tend to follow and what that maybe says about you. So for the second question, or the second part of the assignment, I should say, why gender-based marketing is bad for business. This is about a 10-minute long TED Talk. And actually, this link here is not correct. It'll take you back to the social media and the end of gender TED Talk. But I have included the link to the correct video up here. So I apologize for that, but you can find the video up here. It is about 10 minutes long, so also not a terribly long one. And same kind of routine that we did above for these 3 questions. You can add on your responses here to the same document. Please just organize what questions go with what video. That helps me when I go to grade your assignment. So let's take a look at these. The first question definitely relates to the video itself. So again, I would recommend you read that before you watch the video so you have it in your mind and are able to recognize the answer when the speaker addresses it in her TED Talk. And then the last couple of questions, the same thing, are just kind of general advertising questions. And then number 3 is really more of an opinion question. Why is marketing to gender a bad idea? What is a better target for advertisers to focus on? Just in your own words, answer that question.